What's going on, guys? Balkan Architect here, and I'm extremely excited to announce to you that I'm finally launching my balkanarchitect.com website. Now this website is going to be hosting all of my advanced courses. Now so far all of my courses were available only on Patreon, and I still think that's an amazing platform, but it can be hard to navigate at times, and it's only available as a as a membership or as a subscription based platform. Now my website is going to give you the option to choose to either just buy one individual course and then you can choose whichever course you want to buy, or maybe a couple of courses, or again it's going to include that subscription base where you can just subscribe to all courses. So you pay just once a month and then you can get access to pretty much all courses as long as you're subscribed. And then if you buy a course, you get basically a lifetime access to that particular course. Now at this point I've got 8 courses uploaded on the platform, and now it's 7 of the courses that you might have seen already and that are already available on the Patreon platform, and I've got one new beginner Balkan Architect course. It's this amazing 16-hour course. It's pretty much everything that you need to get started with Revit, and I'm going to be creating a separate video particularly on that topic, on that particular course, a bit later on in a week or so. But so far I've got 8 courses uploaded. I'm going to be adding 3 more in a month, and then as I make new courses I'm going to be including them on that platform. Now why I chose this website platform, the reason for that is because I don't like the fact that on Patreon I have to upload all of the courses as just like 1-hour segments, and here on my website on this new platform I can upload them into chapters, and then each chapter is divided into several videos. So I think it's a far superior platform, and then each chapter and each video can include their own exercise files, so Revit files, Revit families, all of that. So I think it's a superior platform for hosting all of these courses. So check it out. First link in the description, or just Google balkanarchitect.com and join my platform. Now of course I'm going to be making a few more videos explaining these new courses that I'm bringing, but this was just like a big announcement about launching this platform. And tell me please in the comment section below, what do you think about this new website? Do you like it? Would you like to see something else included on the website as an option too? So just tell me about it in the comment section below. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this quick announcement, and I'll be back with another regular Balkan Architect tutorial in a couple of days. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.